Okay, now we'll let nature give us a hand with this. We're hoping for some rain in the next couple of days, and that will settle this sand dust in place, and we'll probably have to top coat it again before we put the rubber mats on. My wife came up with a really great plan here. We're going to have a run-in feeding station. It's going to end up having a roof on it, a pitched roof, shed type roof, and we're going to end up hanging one of their hay bags from the side over here, where we end up building a little wall and a water bucket, and this will work as a little feeding station and for them to get in and out of the rain whenever they want to. Once we put the mats in, there'll be about an inch to an inch and a half reveal of the wood on each side, and what's supposed to happen is as the donkey goes to get out or goes to get in, he'll hit his hoof on the edge of it and knock some of the poopy and stuff out of their hoofs, let's hope. It's supposed to be a pretty good program, so we're going to give it a try. We'll let you know how it works out. Hey folks, yesterday we got a bunch of the fencing done. We did about 30-35 feet of it yesterday, and Patty started putting up the boards on our day shelter feeding station. She's going to put boards up about that high so we can hang a hay bag here. We're going to put a roof up here to cover them during the day in case it's raining, give them a little shelter. And she's going to work on that today. I'm going to tamp out the sand. We're going to drop some more sand over there, and keep on going on the project. Thanks for stopping in to see us. Hey folks, as you can see, we're getting along real well on the run through that my wife designed. As I said before, we're going to be putting the mats down. We just now have all the framing all done. I just have to put the cross member boards on the top so that we can put the metal roof on top of that. So we're going to do that, trim out this tree today, and we've worked on this for a few hours on this beautiful day today. Here it's probably 80 or so, and nice and cool, nice breeze, low humidity. Nice to have a day like this for a change. I'm surfing. Had some folks ask about our chickens. Here they are out running around in the yard this morning. We let them out first thing in the morning when we go take care of the donkeys. So they've been kind of running around in the woods this morning for a little while. Now they're stepping back up into the coop to grab a little bite of food. And let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing one. One may be inside or underneath the shed. Loving life, having fun. Hey folks, thanks for stopping in and see us today and watching the video. Basically, we're pretty much all done with the run through. We've got the roof all on, the metal's up, we've got the bucket hanger for the water. My wife has it all set up over here to be able to put the hay net around this little section over here. She's put the 2x4 up here, which we can lash the hay net down and be able to hang it there for them. We haven't put in the stall mats yet. We're going to let the rain and the sand to settle in a little bit more. Plus, we have quite a bit more fencing to do on the back side over here yet. I'd say we've got another 30, 40 feet of fencing and gates that we have to do over here yet before we can actually let the donkeys into the stall. But this is what it looks like. It was a great idea, and Pat, my wife, came up with it. It's a thing that's going to be really great if it does work for us, and I think it will, because we've seen on other videos that having the little reveal here where there's a difference in elevation between the outside sand and the mat on the inside, that as the donkey taps their hooves against the wood, that will knock some of the donkey dew out of there. We pick their feet just about every single day, and we wash their hooves just about every single day. So maybe that'll help a little bit in helping us pick out their feet. So this is what it looks like. Again, thanks for stopping in to see us. We hope you enjoyed the video, and come back and see us again. We really appreciate your support. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you know when we post our next video. Thanks folks, really appreciate you coming by.